Up until a couple years ago, I had a pretty good head of hair, but now it's starting to really show its age right here. You know, I had heard this pretty much was guaranteed to work, and you got results in a few months. It wasn't something that was going to have to take years or to keep using in order for it to keep working. You know, you would sort of be able to do it, and that hair would be there, you know, forever.
It went well. It wasn't painful or particularly uncomfortable for me, at least. And so yeah, I'm happy with how things have gone so far.
They said that by now I would start to be feeling some pain, but it's really not painful at any point yet or itchy. When I look in the mirror, I definitely feel better about how, you know, not having a big sort of balding widow's peak that was occurring, so it don't look as old, you know, as I feel like I was starting to look. This was a way to combat that and, you know, do it with a high degree of effectiveness, and so I'm pleased with, you know, it's been as good as advertised, if not better.